Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Ravi and today I am going to show you that how we can use carrier AC remote. Actually there are a lot of components that we are not aware about, that how we can use these buttons. So this is my carrier remote. Actually I am using the type RG70A BGAF, and so most of the AC remotes has same functionality. So I will go through each and every button, how each and every button works and what is each and every button functionality. So like starting from these two buttons, so these are up and down. You can increase its temperature like 26, 27. So you can do with the help of this button. You can increase it with this button, so it's going to like 28, 29, and you can decrease it from there. And there is a mode button. Mode button is nothing, it's basically to your comfort level. So means the first one is the auto mode. So in this mode, so this will give you each and every settings automatically, so you don't need to do anything manually. And if we go to the cool, so in this cool section it will give you most cool and comfort level of cooling. And so it will not give you only air, so it will means it will give you a cool environment within your room. And if we are going for dry, so dry is basically to remove humidity inside your room, so you can keep this mode. So like if there is any so much rain or kind of humidity inside your room, so you can use this mode. And if you will go for heat, so this is most of the functionality you will get on few of the issues, few of AC. So this is the heat button, means in the winter kind of environment, so you can use this button if this functionality is available on your AC. And so basically it is inbuilt on your AC, so if it is available, so you can go for this mode and it will give you a comfort amount of heat during the winter seasons. And if you will go for fan setting, so if you can see over here, you are not seeing anything, there is only a fan button is here. So you can use this one to increase and decrease of fan. So it will give you only fan, right? Means there is nothing related to the temperature, so it would be work like as a fan. You can get fan air only. Okay, so this is a sleep mode basically does nothing. So actually I need to change mode basically for going. So now I'm auto. So in this sleep mode means if you are going to be sleep, so you don't want any kind of sound and all, so you can go for this sleep button. So it will, let me show you. So like once you will press, so you will see a sign of a moon over there. So it will means if so it will give you a comfort in the place where you will not hear any kind of sound like in the night. So it's a kind of D&D, means it will sense during the night how much temperature it should be, and accordingly it will set for you. And this is the OK button. OK button is basically if you have selected any kind of thing over here, so once you have selected, so you need to give a thumbs up that I am going to see this kind of settings, so you can select. So basically this button is going to be used once I will go for these other settings, so it has their significance over there. So this is the vertical, means if you because there is a flip cover over there, so it will give you a so it will flip your flips over there. So up and down you can do this, and it will give you a left and right. And here is a timer. So if you want to set a timer that my AC should be on after 2 hours, and like my AC should be get off at this time, so you can set it over there. So like so for that I need to select over there, and then you can select like 1 hour, 2 hour. So you can go for that. And there is a button, so you want to on it after half an hour, or you want to do it off after half an hour. So you can say that now it will off, and so you can set it over there in the same way. And so let's move, and like once you are going to set it over, so like this OK button will come in the picture, so you can do like this and this, and then you to do OK button over there. And next we will move on the option button. So in this option button you can see there are a lot of singles, this and this and this, right? So so let's start from this one. So this is for the automatic cleaning of your AC, so you can choose this button. If you are going to this button, so this is, you can set your comfort level at a specific region, so for this you can use it. And this one is your own comfort, means this one is if you want to give that specific location should get like 25 degrees Celsius, and the specific place should get like 23, 24. So for that point of view, you need to keep your this remote over here. So let's say if you are keeping your remote over here, so it will sense like this portion should be 27 degrees Celsius, and like this is my room temperature of 28, 29, right? So in such way like this mode button works. And if I will pick this super button, so it will take you like 17 degrees Celsius basically. So like it is will give you a super cool, where you will get a 17 degrees Celsius temperature of your home. And this one, if you will press 2 or 3 seconds, so it will means there is a digital number comes on your indoor unit, so it will get switch off over there if you will press 2 or 3 seconds. And once you will want to get it on, so you can do this. So basically it's a do not disturb service we have. And in this favorite button is basically reset of your functions related to company provided settings. And so like you will press 1 or 2 times, so it will reset your remote settings in a single go. So that's all the feature of carrier button you can use over here. And thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe my channels. Thank you very much. Bye.